Okay, so you finalized a bill and oops, there's a mistake. Let's talk about how to fix that.
It happens, right? A customer needs a change after the sale's done. But can you actually fix it?
Yes, you absolutely can. And pretty much every correction starts from the exact same screen.
And here it is, the cash bill listing. Think of this screen as your mission control for post-sale edits.
It's really just 3 simple steps. Navigate, filter to find the bill you need, and then click to open it up.
Okay, once you're in that bill, you've got options. Let's look at fixing some common transaction details.
2 of the most common fixes: swapping a serial number or changing how the customer actually paid.
Now, before you can swap serial numbers, you need 2 things: the feature enabled and the right permission.
And the process itself is super simple. Click the item, hit the swap tab, and just switch the numbers.
But what if the payment method itself was wrong? That's what we call a settlement adjustment.
The steps are pretty much the same. Find the bill, click the payment, delete it, and add the right one.
Okay, let's move beyond simple fixes to bigger requests, like e-invoices or even full returns.
When it comes to e-invoices, timing is everything. It's totally different if it's the same month or the next.
If you're still in the same month, it's easy. You just edit the original record in the batch pool.
But for a sale from a past month, you can't edit it. You have to reverse the old one and create a brand new bill.
All right, last scenario. What about a straight-up return for a refund? That needs a special document.
You'll use something called a Sales Refund Note. This one document handles both the item return and the money.
It's a really clean process. You create the note, link it back to that original bill, and then finalize the refund.
So, why can't just anyone do this? Well, the simple answer is permissions.
Your admin has to give your user role specific permissions to do any of these things.
Like it says right there, all of these actually will be based on the permission level. It's all about control.
So now you know how to find and edit these bills. The real question is, who on your team needs these permissions?